Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, quick survey request. If you wouldn't mind, drop a note in the comments. I want to know what you want to see from me. I'm working on a line of very inexpensive short courses for you with super vital information on certain things. One of them is how to choose your property for renovation. Very important, because you could choose a property that looks like a great deal but isn't, because you have to put way too much money into it to bring it up to something that may already be done. So that's one of them. There's all kinds of courses. We are working on Antonello's course, which is the Italian Architecture and Renovation Master course with Master Architect Antonello Lucchesi. But that's going to be a bigger course, and it's going to take a little while because we have more filming to do. We have tons of editing, and it's going to be amazing. However, these little shorty courses, I want to, oops, here comes Gigi. I wanted to give you the option of weighing in with what do you want to learn for just a few bucks, and I will create that course for you. So put it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, like this video. Thanks, guys.